things we build our world with are concrete, wood, steel, and glass. These elements all take tremendous amounts of energy to create. Ecocore is different. It's a material with a negative carbon footprint. We began making furniture with Ecocore because people are inspired by good furniture and good design. We wanted to use our unique designs to introduce Ecocore to the world. Our chemist is one of the world's top experts in polyurethanes. He has developed a formula that replaces the oil and plastic with plant material. By choosing plant materials that are renewable and absorb a lot of carbon, we make materials that minimize the use of fossil fuels and maximize the benefits to the environment. He describes this material as sucking the carbon out of the air. In the 20 years that I've been designing furniture, I have taken more from the environment than I've put back. I see Ecocore as a way to save forests, possibly a way to make amends for a furniture industry that hasn't always been great for the environment. When we first started working with Ecocore, we created all kinds of great shapes and ideas for products, but the big question was how to give the furniture character. What is the furniture's outward identity? We thought about veneers, but it made no sense to take a product that doesn't kill trees and then cover it with wood. By chance, my partner in his earlier work had used these handcrafted sheets developed by the ancient Mayans. We took a trip to this remote village in the mountains of Mexico and discovered an art form that is simple and beautiful. The indigenous families use renewable bark from bushes or stalks from tule grass and pound them into sheets for ceremonial art. This material became the outward expression of Ecocore. From the raw material, we tease out these incredible textures and colors using techniques that we have developed over the last 2 years. We can make the bark look like the tropical ocean, give it metallic patinas, make it look like stone, rust, concrete, or marble, yet it has its own distinct character. The material made from tule grass has the warmth and texture of wood without killing any trees. We're now working with a social worker who lived in the village to set up a village cooperative to buy sheets and supply materials. We are making sure that this fragile culture and economy are preserved. There's a beautiful balance in this furniture. It helps to preserve the environment, but also works to save a threatened culture. There is symmetry in the notion that every piece we build has both the world's oldest and newest technologies. We had so much we wanted to show in our entry submission, but only one small piece to show it in. 30 by 30 by 30, 50 pounds. Our piece is a block that shows the best of the material and highlights some of our favorite finishes. It can be transformed into a coffee table and a side table. In the past 2 years, we have questioned every decision as to whether it truly reflected our values: great design, environmentally beneficial, and culturally responsible. When we needed more strength in the furniture, we used wheat fiber board instead of MDF. We used non-toxic paints and dyes, waterborne finishes, and recycled packing materials. All this adds up to a product, and a story that goes with it that is as positive for our planet as we can possibly make it. As I said before, furniture is only the beginning. Look around at the world. What can't be made from this bioplastic? Building insulation, sheetrock, flooring, siding are all good candidates. Walk through any store and you can find 1,000 items that should be made of Ecocore, from dog dishes to garbage cans. What we are doing here is bigger than just furniture. It's about starting a material revolution.